How to get a business loan for your trucking company. Trucking companies often struggle with fuel costs, equipment repairs, and payroll while waiting on slow paying contracts. That's where fast funding makes the difference. We act as independent brokers connecting logistics businesses with financing solutions. We're not part of David Allen Capital, but we work with them because they provide trucking companies with the quick access to working capital that they need. DAC approvals are often the same day, with deposits arriving in 24 to 48 hours. Now that speed helps keep your trucks on the road and your business moving forward. With their $500 meet or beat guarantee, you can be confident you're getting one of the best deals in the industry, or DAC will pay you $500 in return. If your trucking business has been active for at least 6 months with steady revenue and proper bank statements, you may qualify, even if your credit score is not perfect. So, if you want to expand your fleet, cover fuel costs, and bridge invoice delays, click on the link in the description below, watch the founder's message, and apply today. Good luck!